Every challenge whispers a question, and every solution begins with a story. Good morning, everyone. Today, I invite you into a story, not of knights and crowns, but of beakers, bubbles, and brilliance. A story where heroes wear lab coats, not capes. It all began one warm winter afternoon when I was given a simple sounding task to be in charge of props for our annual school play rehearsal. The climax scene was dramatic. A brave warrior wounded in battle collapsing in a field of snow. Sounds easy, doesn't it? But we had one tiny problem. We had no snow, and even worse, no blood. I remember staring at the empty prop box, the echo of my teacher's words bouncing in my mind. Think creatively, not conveniently. So, I turned to the one place where logic meets magic, the chemistry lab. I decided to create the impossible. First, the blood, not the childish concealed trick everyone had tried before. This time, I wanted something truly scientific. I mixed potassium thiocyanate with water and then added a few drops of neutral ferric chloride. The moment they met, a deep, rich crimson began to swirl and bloom. I tested a drop on my arm, and when my mom saw it, she screamed. I smiled. Success, I said softly. Science has spoken. Behind the drama lay the real beauty, chemistry in action. The two solutions had reacted to form a blood-red complex, a perfect example of a solution, where a solute and a solvent blend to create something entirely new. Next came the snow. After some late-night research and a bit of desperation, I found the perfect formula: hair conditioner and baking soda. I mixed them slowly and suddenly white, fluffy, cool snow appeared in my hands. Science had done its magic again. But then came the twist. During the actual play, our heroic warrior entered the stage, took one confident step and slipped. He landed straight into the pile of fake snow, splashed into the crimson blood, and within seconds the floor looked like a battlefield of foam and red streaks. The director gasped. The cast froze. It was a chaos. Everyone turned to me, the prop master. For a moment, I panicked, but then I remembered baking soda, my secret ingredient. Quickly, I got to work. I sprinkled baking soda over the sticky mess, and like a little miracle, it began to absorb the stains and neutralize the odor. I used a damp cloth to wipe it up, and the floor shone again. That's when I couldn't resist telling everyone, you see, baking soda isn't just for fake snow. It removes stains, cleans utensils, removes wax from surfaces, and even soothes insect bites. Everyone burst out laughing, and someone said, you should have been a chemist, not a prop artist. Maybe they were right, because in that moment I realized that chemistry isn't just limited to textbooks or labs. It lives in our homes, in our kitchens, and yes, even on messy stages. So, the next time you stir sugar in your tea, paint with watercolors, or wipe away a spill, remember you are witnessing a silent collaboration, a harmony between a solute and a solvent. And perhaps that's the true secret of chemistry, the secret life of solutions, where every bond tells a story, every mixture hides magic, and every reaction reminds us that chemistry is the art of endless transformation. Thank you.